Experian Boost Review 2025. Is Experian Boost trustworthy? Most people get credit building tools wrong by assuming they all work the same. Experian Boost in 2025 claims to help improve your credit score by adding utility and telecom payments, but is it really trustworthy? Experian Boost is free and allows you to link bank accounts for eligible bills like phone, electricity, and streaming services. The surprising truth is how quickly it can affect your score. You won't believe what happens next when some users see an instant increase, sometimes up to 30 points, simply by adding positive payment history. Another advantage is transparency. Experian clearly shows which accounts can be added and provides guidance on how it impacts your FICO score. Most people get this wrong by thinking any payment will help, only verified on-time payments can't. However, there are cons. Experian Boost only affects your Experian credit report, so it won't impact scores from Equifax or TransUnion. Additionally, if you have late payments or negative accounts, Boost won't offset those. Privacy-conscious users may also be wary of linking bank accounts, though Experian uses secure encryption. In conclusion, Experian Boost is a useful, trustworthy tool for people with limited credit history or those looking for a quick score boost. In 2025, it's best for responsible payers who want to enhance their Experian report, but it shouldn't replace traditional credit building strategies like on-time loan payments or credit utilization management. Use it as a supplement, and you could see a positive impact on your credit journey.